Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A54s, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up your standalone contacts application. From here, tap on the three bars, navigate to settings, select import, SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now, for some reason the phone already imported some of the contacts when I popped in the card, so that's why I have a couple of them that are grayed out and deselected and I can't select them. They already exist on my list. So I could deselect ones that are right here, and from there choose import. This will import all the selected contacts, which you can then see right here. So that is how you could import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.